The Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria presents a new English language course book to all freshmen. General English and Introduction to English and Communication for Freshmen is a two-set course book specifically aimed at the first-year university students. In the book, students will develop their listening, reading, writing, and speaking skills, as well as expand their vocabulary and grammar knowledge. Set in 6 chapters, Chapter 1 explains English morphology and the grammar of English language with painstaking brevity and clarity. Chapter 2 discusses word class in English exhaustively. Chapter 3 dwells on paragraphing and punctuations in English with copious illustrations. Chapter 4 treats semantics adeptly. Chapter 5 handles the phonetics and phonology of English carefully and elegantly. Chapter 6 sums up the 4 language skills. Every chapter of the book is packed to the gills with practical exercises and activities that are cognitively engaging and mentally effective. In addition, the book comes with a workbook packed with various activities, so students will have more opportunities to practice the English language and speak and write the language with amazing proficiency and effortless ease. The ultimate goal of the book is to help first-year university students to have a good command of the English language in all scenarios where the medium of communication is English. Copies of the textbooks are available at 5,000 Naira only per copy and 6,000 Naira only per copy of the e-book. Books are available at the library of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, Kano. Thank you for listening.